Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Payton and I'm back with another video. As you will have read by the title, today I'm just coming to y'all with a quick little update video for this hair that I received from Ronnie hair. So if you all have watched my last upload, I hope you go do so now before you watch this video. I made a wig using some bundles and a frontal that this company sent me, and now I'm just basically here to tell you guys how I like it thus far. Let's go ahead and just hop right in. But before I do that, please make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and make sure you guys hit that bell so that you never miss another video that I post. So in today's video, like I said, I'm going to be telling y'all about this bomb hair that I got from Ronnie hair. This video is really not going to be long just because you already know, like, I made this wig myself using glue. If you guys want to see how I did that, it is my last upload, and I'll also have it linked in the cards or at the end of this video. They sent me 3 bundles of 26 inches, and then they sent me one frontal that was 20 inches. Initially, when I first got this hair, I did not wear it as a wig. I actually wore it in a let's call it like a versatile style. So what I did was I took the frontal and I did like a swoop side part, and then I ended up like pressing my real hair and just meshing the frontal with my real hair and doing the extended ponytail method for 2 pigtails. I did this for my birthday, which was like 2 months ago, and it came out really nice. I'll include some pictures of what it looked like for the photo shoot. I didn't really do my hair the best, honestly, but I don't think it really mattered just because I only had that hairstyle for like a week for that photo shoot. Throughout that week and a half that I wore that hair in 2 pigtails, I actually really liked it. And then I just decided to take it off, and instead of getting the hair installed, because I don't feel like I would want to install on myself because, you know, I like switching up my hair a lot, I just decided to make a wig. So like I said, I did take these 3 bundles in the frontal and construct a wig myself using glue. It took me 2 hours. It was really quick, and since then I wore the hair like 2 or 3 weeks after that, and then I just reinstalled this wig again just because I wanted to go back to straight hair. Honestly, I have another straight hair wig, but I honestly just really liked how like seamless this wig looked, and I wanted to get a couple more pictures in it, and the company also wanted a review, so I just felt like I killed like 3 birds with 1 stone. But you know, I really do like this hair thus far. It's really soft, it's really lustrous. I have not had much shedding. I mean, there is some shedding, but it's not terrible. The frontal is also really great. What I like about the frontal the most is the fact that it's Swiss lace, and I really love Swiss lace frontals because I feel like they just look really natural and they melt into your skin. And I think even on their website you'll see that it says like Swiss lace will melt into anybody's head, anybody's scalp, so it just makes your install or your frontal look a lot more natural. I think Swiss lace frontals are even better than HD frontals and the regular frontal as well, just because it's basically transparent. And if you ever do have a situation where it doesn't match your skin exactly, you can always put some concealer, foundation, lace tint spray, or just tint the lace. Another thing that I can say with the Swiss lace, I think it looks much better like outside in natural lighting. Right now it's midnight, and I am in front of my vanity with like studio lighting, so this is what it looks like with, you know, false lighting or studio lighting. But I'll also include a clip of what it looks like outside in like natural lighting settings. This hair is really bomb though, and I've enjoyed it for I guess I can say I've been wearing it for like a month. The month that I've had it, I really do like it. So now this is my 3rd or 4th reinstall. Like initially I had the hair with that versatile style, and then I reinstalled it 2 other times. This is my 4th reinstall. So the only thing I can say that I don't really like is that the frontal is like, you know, thinning out some, but I think that's pretty normal with frontals. And also the fact that I bleached the knots and I also customized it, and I did pluck it a lot. So the last time I installed it, it really wasn't much hair around the perimeter because I did pluck it a lot. So now that I've washed it, I feel like it's a lot less hair, but I mean, it doesn't look that bad. Like, I feel like the baby hair still looks pretty good. The only thing is I kind of found it to be a little bit difficult to get the baby hair back to how it was looking initially, but I mean, you know, it's not nothing terrible. I still think the install looks really good. I still think the wig is like seamless, And yeah, I say this hair is really bomb. I know people are really into like wigs and stuff now, but the only reason why I really still like making my own wigs is when I want something that's thicker than a pre-made wig, because that's the only thing. Like nowadays most pre-made wigs are super thin. Even if you get 150% density, 200% density, you're not going to get that same definition, that same thickness, and that volume of making your own wig, especially if you're using thick bundles. And their bundles are really thick and they're full. I just really do like their bundles. And like I said, this is 3 bundles of 26 inches, so I'll go ahead and show you what this looks like on me. I am 5'6" and a half, and it kind of goes down to like my hips. So sorry, I don't want them to demonetize my video, but this is basically where the hair falls down on me, basically to my hips. And I'll go ahead and show you guys the back view. I feel like the wig is really nice and pretty in the back, and also like how it falls on my butt. So that's basically it, but this is what the hair is looking like. I still like it. I just feel like it's just a little bit thinner in this area, but honestly it's nothing that a little bit of eyeshadow and concealer won't fix. So I'm not really too stuck on the fact that the frontal thinned out a little bit. But yeah, that's really the only con. And I feel like aside from that, the other pros, the hair is really pretty thick, and I think it's really good quality. And yeah, so that's really all I had to say about this hair. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big giant thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment down below whether or not you like this look or you hate it. Just kidding. Keep the hate. Keep it over there. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.